Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is garden inspiration. Today I'll show you some beautiful and unique ideas about garden. First of all, here are some garden inspirations to help you create a beautiful and unique garden. Number one is cottage garden. Create a charming and informal garden with a mix of colorful flowers, herb, and shrub. Incorporate elements like picket fence, climbing rows, and meandering pathways to add the romantic feel. Zen garden. Design a peaceful and minimalist garden inspired by Japanese Zen philosophy. Use elements like gravel, rocks, carefully trees, and a water feature to create a beautiful space. Vertical garden. Make the most of limited space by creating a vertical garden. Use trestles, wall-mounted planters, or hanging baskets to grow a variety of plants, flowers, and even vegetables on wall, fence, or in a small balcony space. So, in edible garden. Edible garden combine the beauty of flowers with the functionality of grow your own food. Plant a variety of vegetables, herb, and fruits. Tree in dedicated beds or interpose them along your existing flower beds for an attractive and productive garden. Native wildlife garden. Create a haven for local wildlife by planting native species that provide food and shelter for birds, butterflies, and bees. Include features like bird feeders, bee houses, and a small pond to attract and support a diverse range of creation. So, contemporary garden OPT for sleek and modern design with clean lines, geometric shapes. Use materials like concrete, steel, and glass to create a sophisticated and stylish outdoor space. Tropical garden. Embarrass tropical garden